This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Over 20 years of day trading advice. Intro, timing and entry rules, psychology and execution, session awareness, recap. Intro. After over 20 years in the trading world, I've learned a few things that I wish I knew when I started. Whether you're new or experienced, these practical tips can help sharpen your edge. They may seem like a lot to take in at first, but just like any skill, once you've trained your mind through consistent backtesting, it becomes second nature. Think of it like an elite athlete. They've repeated the basics so many times that execution becomes automatic. That's how this advice should feel to you, ingrained into your trading psyche. Let's dive into the timing and entry rules. Wait until 5 minutes after the top and bottom of the hour to enter your trade. The first half of the candle usually goes in the opposite direction of price. This can help you decide if you want to stay in a trade. You can also use the 30-minute chart, and if the trade doesn't go in your direction at first, don't panic. But after 15 minutes, if it goes against you, then think about closing your trade. The reason why price usually goes in the opposite direction at the top of the hour or at the beginning of any candle is because of the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution that ICT talked about. Price will accumulate in the beginning, enticing traders to make a decision to go either way. Then it will create the manipulation. It will start to move in one way, and then the distribution happens. It will quickly reverse and go back in the other direction. That's why it's imperative to wait 5 minutes after the hour. It's also imperative to wait for the first 15 to 30 seconds on a 1-minute chart. Be aware of the 12 o'clock reversal. Normally, after 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, price will reverse or consolidate from whatever move happened during the opening of the New York trading session. Psychology and execution. Wait until the candle has closed before you enter the trade. This seems simple, but if you are on a winning streak, you can get overconfident and think you know what price will do, only to get stopped out on your next trade. Similarly, if you think you're going to miss out on a trade and enter before the close of the candle, price will most likely reverse and test your conviction, usually causing you to close your trade for a loss. Session awareness. When measuring out your trade on a higher time frame and you place your target and your stop loss, price may eventually get to your target. However, that doesn't mean it will get to that target in that session or even that day. Stay focused on securing a 2-to-1 reward to risk and look for opportunities on the way towards your higher time frame target. Be aware of when news announcements are coming out. In fact, you should plan your trades around news announcements to take advantage of the volatility. However, you should never trade during the news announcement. Price moves rapidly, and many brokers open up the spread, so you will lose the trade even if you were in profit. Wait until 5 minutes after the news event to look for your setup. If price had a big move in the previous session, it's most likely that there won't be a big move in the next session. There are exceptions, however, so look for displacement. Recap. Let's quickly recap these timeless trading rules. Wait 5 minutes after the hour to look to enter your trade. Watch for the 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time reversal. The first half of the candle is often misleading. Wait for candle closes. Don't expect a higher time frame target to be met in this session or that day. Avoid trading during news. Plan around it. Study what happens in the previous session. Watch for displacement, not just assumptions. These may seem like small things, but they add up. Practice them, repeat them. Eventually, they'll become part of your natural flow. and you'll trade with more confidence and control. By popular request, I've launched a Patreon where I share my weekly trades and show exactly how I apply my strategy in real time. Plus, I've set up a Discord channel so you can ask questions and learn with others. I'll be checking in each week to answer questions and offer insight. If you've been wanting to dig deeper and grow as a trader, this is a great way to start. Check the links in the description and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy trading.